Welcome to Unlock Your Potential, where we empower entrepreneurs and professionals to thrive. Hi, I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for radical success. Today, we'll discuss how using data can transform your business, boost sales, and improve customer experiences. So, stay tuned for some great info, and remember to connect more by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment below. This summer, I had two completely different experiences with businesses. One that wasn't using data and one that was. And the impact on my experience with each was incredible. So my question for you today is, are you using data to improve your business? Are you collecting it, analyzing it, and using it to drive sales, improve customer interactions, and ultimately grow your business? Because if not, you definitely should be. In one experience, I was checking into a spa I've been to many times, where I've spent thousands of dollars. And yet, despite all the data they had collected on me in the past, medical information, reservation history, you name it, they repeatedly asked if it was my first time there. It left me feeling disconnected, like they weren't paying attention to my loyalty. Contrast that with another spa destination I visited later in the summer. From the moment we arrived, we were greeted by name, and they had personalized welcome gifts waiting for us. It was clear they were using data to enhance the guest experience. My husband even asked, how do they do that? And I realized it was all thanks to the data they had collected and used very effectively. So, why does using data matter so much? Well, for one thing, it allows you to personalize interactions. Everyone loves doing business where their name and their preferences are known. And data helps you optimize your marketing by tracking what messages resonate with your audience and what don't, and helping to identify their pain points. I once worked with a personal organizer who spent a lot on marketing for the word organization. But after we did some informal research, we found that potential clients were actually searching for help with clutter. A simple shift in messaging transformed her results. Data also improves client retention. Imagine this. After I launched my business, I wasn't shopping as much due to, the budgetary restraints of quitting my job and launching a business. 6 months in, I got a call from my salesperson at Bloomingdale's, just checking in because she hadn't seen me in a while and wanted to make sure everything was okay. That call endeared me to Bloomingdale's for life because they noticed a change in my habits and reached out. That's the power of data. Knowing your clients well enough to take proactive steps to keep them engaged. Finally, using data streamlines communication. In today's world, we are bombarded with messages on so many platforms, but everyone has a preferred way they like to communicate. And data helps us to figure out which channels get the best response. So we're not wasting time and money sending messages that get lost in the shuffle. So, however long you've been in business, start collecting and using your data today. Know who your clients are, track their behaviors, and use that information to personalize your service, optimize your marketing, and keep them coming back time and time again. Let's recap the main points. Using data allows you to personalize your interactions, optimize your marketing, and improve client retention, and streamline communication. Visit our website at radstrategic.com for more tips and resources, and join us each week for more insight on how to achieve radical success. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for success. I'd love to connect with you. Leave a comment, send an email, visit my website, and book a call with me. How can I help you on your journey to radical success?